Right, that's another video tutorial done for you. Now this time around we're going to be working on a tabby cat. I'll just show you the painting. I've been asked quite a few times now about how to paint wood. And there's different types of wood. Obviously you've got the bark on a tree, you've got this kind of wood here such as floorboards, and the wooden structure on the top and the left hand side as well. But we're going to be doing this, we'll approach this by doing wet in wet techniques, scumbling, stippling, washing over the top, lifting off details as well, and adding the finer details on to get all this texture within the wood itself. Now once we've done that, we're going to be working on the eyes of the cat. Now the eyes, we've got to have so much life in there. So I'm going to go right through from the start, right to the very end of how to paint a very detailed cat's eye. Now once we've done that, then we've got to start working on the fur. So let's make a start on this little tabby cat, and let's get them brushes wet. So come and join me on Patreon and let's paint this cute tabby cat together.